As a CDL driver, it's extremely important to prioritize the preventive maintenance service of your truck. This service is crucial in making sure that your truck is in good condition and will function well throughout your trip. Preventive maintenance helps you in avoiding costly repairs. It also helps the truck to continue to operate safely. Improved fuel efficiency, increased lifespan of the truck, and better resale value. A PM inspection checks various components of your truck and ensures that any issues are addressed and fixed. The cost of a PM service is much lower than the cost of a new semi-truck motor and can save you money in the long run. Thank you for listening. Like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Be safe, driver.